I'm Mnangagwa, the Acting Provincial Mechanization Engineer under the Department of Agricultural Engineering, Mechanization and Farm Infrastructure Development. We are right here at Mutare GMB silo expansion project, where we are preparing for the commissioning of this project by His Excellence, the President, Dr. P.D. Mnangagwa. In terms of progress, I can safely say we are now at 100%. The silos erection are completed, the system is now completed, and all the other outstanding works have been completed. We are now only left with sprucing up the whole system so that it is up and running. Then in terms of other ancillary works, we are here where we can see pavement is now completed. Tendage installation is in progress. We hope that by afternoon it will be all systems go. We expect everything to be completed and ready for the completion and the commissioning.